How's it going, YouTube? We're here doing some tree removal at my house, tearing out kudzu bushes. They are terribly annoying. If you've ever dealt with them, they're full of vines that wrap around everything. They just hold on forever. You can see the 10-yard roll-off behind me. I've been filling that, and now we are on to the big bush that we've resorted to chains and diesel power from my little Kubota BX23. So let me show you what we got going here. Guys, so I gave her a couple of tugs on the stump and it didn't even move. I'm not about to start yanking on chain, especially that's only grade 40. Erring on the side of safety, I'm going to cut the rest out by hand. And now we're going to start loading all this into the dumpster and crushing it down.
So I'm finding out here, guys, that my backhoe is just not long enough.
Alright guys, so the backhoe didn't work as good as I was hoping. The stick on it is just not long enough. So you can see I kept on hitting the side of the dumpster. So I'm going to just throw the rest of these in over here, and then I'm going to crush it with the front of the bucket. And then I'm just gonna have to do the rest by hand, by like stomping on it and stuff like that, just because the stick is just not long enough to reach in there.
So right here, guys, I'm making my way around the bin, just crushing everything.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it. I got the roll-off for another week, so this stuff over the course of the week is gonna dry and it's gonna die out a lot more. It's not gonna be as flexible. So I'm gonna keep adding small things to it, and I'll keep crushing it down, and it'll be good to ship by next week. Guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please shoot me a like and a subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.